You know him for his adventures in the future.
Shall we help them?
Yes. Now he creates a future of adventure. So take a good look at the one most exciting vision
I'm an android.
you will see for the next 50 years.
Welcome to my future.
Where cyberjunks ride the Matrix frontier stealing secrets. Drug dealers are pushing tech. And the rules count even less than usual. An action-packed world premiere. William Shatner's Tekwar. Next.
The action-packed presentation of Tekwar is brought to you in part by MasterCard. MasterCard, it's more than a credit card, it's smart money. And by Rayovac Renewal, reusable alkaline power, that's the power of renewal.